Alright guys, Johnny B here at Tailpipe Events. We've got a 37,000 original mile 1969 Ford Torino Talladega. It's got a 428 Cobra Jet engine. Sounds nice. Runs real good. It was just in gear. Now he just took it out of gear, so you can hear it idling. It's had one repaint in its lifetime. Somebody did add the hood scoop that you're looking at. Still has the original seals around the grilling. That was to keep the air from going under the hood or into the grill. It's only keeping the air focused on going in the grill where it's supposed to go, and the rest of the air is diverted over the contour of the car. Something about the Talladegas, if you notice, the nose is about 6 inches longer. It's extended. If you hop out, I'll take a little quick shot of the interior if you don't mind. Let's just run. Thank you much. Interior's all original. It's not perfect. It's got some areas where it's showing a little bit of age, but headliner's in good shape. Here's the gauges. Fuel gauge is working. Tachometer is working. Clock is not working. Let's see if the radio is not working. Oil pressure gauge is working. Amp gauge is working. This pressure gauge does not seem to be working. The dash is in good shape. It does have a little cigarette burn in the middle of the seat, just one. I did go underneath the car. The floors are solid. There is no rust anywhere on this car. Now it does have some blemishes in the paint here and there. Another blemish there. It's got some scratches. Got a scratch on the door there. Just want to give you an honest look at this car. Upholstery looks a little weathered or a little dirty, but it is all original. It does have a little dent in the rear quarter. I don't know if you can make that out on the video. And under the hood, this car is sporting a 428 Cobra Jet, numbers matching. Made it to a C6 automatic transmission. Wouldn't take much to make this car perfect. So if you've got a vehicle that you want to consign to our auction's on October 26th in Enid, Oklahoma at the fairgrounds inside the Chisholm Trail Expo Center. We've got some fantastic cars lining up. The sale is really shaping up to be a good sale. I'm super excited about it. So if you want to enter a car, it's only $100 to enter it into the sale. And we'll add you to the online catalog. Your vehicle can run through the auction with this 69 Talladega, among others. So give us a call, 405-762-8009, either to sign up, register a car for the sale, or to register to bid. Ask for Johnny or Jenny. Thanks for watching.